Lagu dari Langit Podcast kini dikenali sebagai Kinabalu Podcast.
I'm Charlie Cruz.
This is Ed Sheeran.
Farid PF, okay, click guys. What up?
So, Fan di sini sebenarnya budak biasa aja yang dilahirkan di Ranau.
Jangan lupa subscribe YouTube channel Lagu Dari Langit.
Ada Elvin MY.
Jadi, orang sedang buat benda yang sangat bagus.
Hey, si Aidil Bani di sini kau tidak pakai.
Saya Gilson Yanggun.
Apps editor yang Patrick pakai tadi.
Yo, what up people, this is Kinabalu Podcast, podcast nomor 1 di Sabah, hosted by Ricardo, Kenny and Faizal.
Apa dia tulis dalam papan tadi itu?
Vaksin, mana mau dapat vaksin ni? Podcast ini dibawakan oleh orang Kota Marudu tinggal Jepun.
Follow Johan's Journey at Lagu Dari Langit channel on YouTube.
Subscribe, like and share. Juga follow IG Johan di Instagram.
Selain itu, podcast ini juga ditaja oleh NSST Official.
Get all the premium original products or goods by sending them a DM at NSST Official IG.
Untuk cucian pinggan mangkuk yang terbersih, dapatkan sabun Tuklin, sabun cuci dan pinggan mangkuk pertama di Kota Marudu.
Please DM us on Facebook to get a promo price of RM10 for 3 dishwashing liquid from Tuklin.
Sambal Lada Power, please PM us on Facebook to get Sambal Lada Berapi by Cik Non.
Ingat nama Kinamas Auto jika anda inginkan jentera berat ataupun ringan. PM mereka di Kinamas Auto Beaufort on Facebook.
Your number one beauty product in Sabah, Lux Blossom. Check out their Facebook page, Lux Blossom HQ today.
Now, on to the show.
3 lelaki, 2 bapa, 1 bujang. Podcast pertama paling lit, tidak kurang.
Di Sabah nombor 1 yang lain boleh pulang. Info terkini tajuk best paling mana.
Si Kado botak janggut lebat tiada lawan. Kenny ketawa boleh sampai pecah syawak. Si Faizal pula bagi punchline lipat awak.
Kami training, kami ranking, jom jadi kawan. Dari yang dekat, mari sini jangan jauh. Volume kasih up, kasih gempa baru jago.
Jokes kami cool, lawak masuk cool. Kadang kami carut sama macam 3 Abdul.
Come on everybody, let's move to the beat. Crack the volume up, dengar podcast tidak stupid.
Jangan jauh, mari kami bau. Ciao bella ciao, ciao bella ciao.
Dia cakap fuck you lah sial dalam tu.
Alamak. Oh, so probably kalau bukan, maybe aku tahulah ada hikmah dia lah, because of that now you are doing better. The thing that you like to do.
Not with only that lah. I've been we as in aku Za. We are one of the the DJs that always akan dapat warning letter. We always go like
You are,
like,
you guys are rebels lah.
Macam familiar je, kita orang pun biasa dapat kat sekolah.
Kamu orangnya tu.
letter. We try to push the barrier in radio, you know what I mean? But
Alright.
again, Za buat dia punya own shit. I do my own shit. I was never with Za before.
I see.
Okay.
So in a way, my first time collaborating. That's why you can see in podcast, right? 3 of us, right?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. Back to that. Fuck you, sorry. Okay, pendekkan cerita aku kena buang because of that fuck you. Okay,
Oh,
that's all.
okay.
Okay.
Dia suruh fuck you lah.
Yeah, so that's why just a bit of bukan aku pandai ya. Maybe you can. Okay. So for all these 3 of you, right? You need to have a different persona altogether. Like. Aku tak pernah kerja dengan Razi dengan Za. Aku tak pernah.
I see.
Aku tak pernah hosting dengan diorang. Aku tak pernah. I always do my own shit. So to adapt them, we need to find a way that kita tak boleh semua orang jadi alpha apa.
Betul.
Oh, betul lah.
But you complement each other and kau suit very well, 3 of you.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
agree.
that's the thing. We need to do that. We need to macam okay. Za, he's the we can say that he's the alpha, right?
Yeah.
he will lead the conversation. He will lead certain things. Okay, but when comes to certain things, certain event, nanti aku dengan Razi will lead. When comes to other kind of, so kita akan tengok macam mana situasi. For podcast, when we are talking about podcast, okay, let Zar lead this shit because he's really good lah. And of course,
Betul.
Razi will do his street kind of joke.
Yes.
Macam
Punchline dia.
Punchline dia. And
betul.
for me, I will find like, okay, mana aku boleh masuk, aku masuk ah.
Tapi
You know,
you know what as a listeners, as a fan to you guys kan, what I apa yang aku boleh tengok kau selalu buat satu trigger punya question tau in between. Tapi korang rasa macam mana kalau bumi ni jatuh gitu kan. And then you leave it to them to elaborate. So semua dua-dua tu Razi dengan Za akan elaborate. Kau diam macam tu macam sial je. Awesome lah.
Walaupun kita tak suka sangat radio, but again kita respect radio because that is our school. That is considered our school. Okay, to do one, okay, kalau korang host satu orang, it's easy. satu orang host easy.
Betul.
Okay. Tapi to get attraction is really fucking hard, right?
Betul. Very hard.
Kau seorang.
Mhm.
Okay, kalau 2 orang is harder, is more difficult than the bila jadi seorang actually.
Okay.
Kalau 2 orang. Kau nak kena tahu banter, kau nak tahu bila Mamat ni nak cakap, nak kelakar apa, bila masa nak masuk. You know, sometimes like korang bukan korang lah, macam sometimes kalau 2 orang kadang-kadang terlanggar berbual lah, macam okay, kau cakap dulu. Tak apa,
Betul.
For listener punya perception macam sial, rasa macam apa ni korang ni, you know.
Betul.
So ditambahkan lagi dengan seorang 3 orang is fucking difficult. But I respect you guys, you're able to do it nicely.
Oh man.
Thank you.
We don't know man, kami langgar je. And to be frank kan, memang we are inspired very much on Okay Let's Go lah. Betul-betul every day kot. Every day lah kita dengar.
Every day dengar, and we love the synergy.
Aku dah macam tak boleh scroll down dah. Dah habis dah aku. Bila ni episod aku dah dengar almost all.
Itu hebat
Okay. As much as I want to say thank you, but fuck lah, diam lah, tak payahlah nak cakap gitu.
Betul lah. Betul lah bro. Kau ni.
Bila 3 orang I understand it's really difficult. Korang pun tahu apa, you are experiencing this shit, right?
Betul.
Macam okay, siapa nak berbual ni? Siapa nak lead? Okay, aku nak yang the third person yang tak banyak bercakap macam macam mana aku nak masuk kadang macam gitu.
Betul.
Ada kadang-kadang rasa macam aku ni diperlukan ke tak diperlukan ni, macam gitu kan. Kadang-kadang ada rasa macam gitu. Fuck, aku tak apalah, kadang-kadang masalah macam gitu. Habis nombor 1 kadang-kadang alamak sialah, nombor 1 tak faham joke nombor 2. Nanti nombor 3 pun nombor 3 nak kena cover.
Betul. It's like compliment everything lah.
So the thing is we need to work together as a team. Okay. Dalam podcast or dalam radio or whatever dia macam kalau TV orang nampak visual kan, korang berlakon. TV adalah satu lakonan. Korang punya berlakon, dia seolah-olah macam tu. Okay, podcast juga adalah macam you are producing a drama. Create your own persona. Tak semestinya engkau nak kena sama dengan apa yang korang dengar kat luar pun sama. No, you create your own persona. You learn each other punya strength. Okay, kalau seorang that's what we learn in radio as well. Macam okay, kita ada dalam 12 DJ. Satu DJ ni kelakar dia untuk orang-orang tua. Satu DJ ni dia macam intellectual gila babi punya. Satu DJ ni dia macam very girlish, very like very feminist, that kind of shit. So you cannot be the same as them. You need to find your own persona, your facade. People want to know you about what? There's 3 of you, right?
Yes.
So satu they want to be known as the intellectual one. Okay, biar aku maintain that intellectual fucker.
Okay.
You know? The second one is the one who knows how to talk about the streets. Like, okay. So the third one apa persona the third one that boleh complement these 2 character. It's a character though. You have to create your own character. It's like a drama.
Betul.
So sometimes sebab kadang-kadang perangai sama, boleh jadi sama. Macam kalau dalam podcast, engkau dengan engkau perangai lebih kurang sama. Jadi apa different dia? So
betul.
For listenernya view macam macam sama je. So people will feel that way.
Betul.
So that's why kalau biarkan macam kalau try as much as possible to be different. Tapi walaupun different, korang kena complement each other to create a product. You know what I mean not?
Betul.
Sounds
kalau
chaotic.
Yeah, exactly. So create your own persona. Satu macam dia suka Arab-Arab sikit, dia macam agama-agama sikit. Korang cakap pasal aku lah, korang.
Pasal kawan Al-Azhar. Okay.
Ya. Ataupun macam it can be anything. Satu macam suka tak tahu lah, berbual macam very sempoi, macam siang lah. It can be that way, no?
Betul.
There's one DJ that I learn this particular person, dia tak berbual banyak tau. Dia
Ini
cuma
Singaporean.
Singaporean, and of course some of them in some of them ada juga in US ke apa. Dia punya kerja ketawa je. Tapi dia fucking popular, lebih popular daripada orang yang banyak cakap.
Oh, kerja dia ketawa dia. Okay.
Dia punya ketawa is fucking contagious, you see.
Oh, so orang boleh ikut ketawa juga sekali.
Dia punya ketawa, dia tahu bila nak, and then dia tahu masukkan, dia tahu fit tau. Dia tahu macam mana nak kasih the leader to talk more and to make things more interesting. Dia punya cakap dia sikit-sikit. So guys, not to worry, between 3 of you, jangan macam ambil hati kalau seorang macam banyak bercakap, satu lagi tak bercakap sangat. Sometimes less is more. Sometimes less is more. So someone have to take on. Janganlah tiba-tiba kau yang podcast semua senyap lah. Tak, jangan itu.
Aku nak tanya kau, Din. Because korang punya podcast every day kan. I mean every time, every episode kan. Korang macam tak pernah nak hilang idea tau. I mean macam experience korang tak pernah habis kan.
Ada yang menipu. Tak ada.
Pecah lu bang.
Oh ini.
Tak lah. Okay. I think the uniqueness about us is like maybe lah because of aku dengan aku extrovert gila babi bro.
Oh betul. Alright.
I mean personally luar podcast, dalam podcast aku extrovert sebenarnya. I love networking. I love, I got like friends like from all over places, you know what I mean? Okay, and then Razi also the same. And then Zah dia suka memantau, melihat dan maknanya walaupun dia diam tapi
dia kata dia introvert. Dia kata dia introvert tapi dia paling banyak cakap dekat podcast.
But it's okay because of like we need
betul.
like that.
Betul.
So, I think due to our experience, like dia kadang-kadang experience walaupun kecil, macam bro hari ni aku cakap kau hari ni aku pergi massage. Okay, aku pergi massage. Habis yang tukang massage tu urut aku lah, perempuan lah kan. Urut. Mula-mula dia diam je, dia urut. Habis tiba-tiba dia nangis. Kan? Okay.
Okay.
Actually cerita dia macam gitu je.
Okay.
Actually dia nangis. Okay. So how kau boleh panjangkan cerita apa?
Okay.
Selit-selit lah.
So how?
Selit lah.
Cuba kau buat.
Contoh, walaupun benda simple je macam satu hari tu aku maybe semalam kau jalan dengan bini kau pegang tangan. Lepas tu kau nampak sebelah tu ada couple macam tengah macam apa ni pegang tangan? Tak tahu ke? Macam
add on.
PDA.
Diorang ingat kita couple belum kahwin, habis kita pegang tangan. Okay. So from this story, right, kau pecahkan lagi kau pecah.
Elaborate more.
Elaborate more, create a question like kau rasa apa pandangan orang terhadap pasangan yang baru kahwin, macam a young orang yang 16 tahun 15 tahun tapi nak kahwin, yang dah kahwin. I don't know, I cannot think of right now.
I mean something attached to the story lah, pada asal dia lah. Elaborate like that kan.
Elaborate. So bila kita before we even go recording pun kita nanti cerita pasal semalam kau apa. Okay, semalam gini, okay, kita pecahkan lagi. Kita break.
Yeah, we can tell that. Yeah, I can tell that. Yeah, betul. And it's very interesting though.
You need, someone yang tengah bercerita. Let's say Razi tengah bercerita. Because I love Razi's stories. He got a lot of fucking
betul.
stories.
A lot memang best lah.
While he is telling stories, right? Me and Zah, our job is to, macam mana kita nak stretch lagi kau punya story.
Kasih panjang lagi.
Stretch lagi. Kasih panjang lagi. And then from that story, what kind of topic yang kita boleh pick it out? One of the dunia cerita panjang-panjang tu, maybe certain issue yang kecil tu kita boleh break into another story or another topic.
Zoom in
macam
to it lah.
Macam tadi, macam aku keluar jalan pimpin tangan, lepas tu ada satu couple orang tua ni, ada pakcik dengan makcik ni macam tengok jijik kita pegang tangan. Okay, so from there you can say, number one you can talk about perkahwinan kan. Number two about persepsi orang tua yang suka judging. Why? You know? And then you can say that and then from why then you can break into like nanti kalau kita dah tua are you going to be a judgy person? Why? You know, that kind of shit.
And from there can spend many more stories kan.
That's already the 3 topic the 3 topics from that story. And then you can break lagi pasal kau rasa kau dengan bini kau tahap macam mana? Kau tahap pimpin tangan ke? Kau suka cium mulut punya orang ke? Ataupun
Okay.
You know what I mean? Like,
alright.
Break it down.
Yeah, break it down lagi. Pecah lagi. So, adik sampai so dari situ dah ada 4-5 topik. You know what I mean?
Awesome, man.
That's what we always do. But yes, we already produced like fucking like 1,000 plus episodes already.
Betul.
Ada satu tahap macam dah tak ada, dah kering idea bro. Dah tak ada idea lagi.
Lepas tu korang jam.
But once we sit down, we on the mic And then bila dah lagu okay let's go,
Semua dah masuk.
terus bila Zah masuk ke apa masuk, and then tiba-tiba jadi something.
Awesome,
Yeah.
man. Okay, Din, if you still have your battery with you, we would like you to stay. Kita ada Santiana here with us. She's a singer from Sabah, I think going peak to the peak juga lah orang bilang. Dia tengah very awesome singer lah, tengah fly lah. If you can stay, kalau dia tengah connect with dia punya system, we can listen to her singing pula. Tadi kita dengar Rining.
Ingat tadi ada soalan dari Din tadi kan?
We got listeners. Soalan tadi tu.
Soalan tadi
Kau balik pergi soalan tu tadi?
Do you want to go there or we...
I don't know. Kau mau pergi dia? Boleh? Apa kau punya pandangan terhadap Malaysia punya? Dia balik pergi situ, Din. Okay. Semua diam sekarang. Malaikat lalu. Anyway, maybe I don't know whether Din is still around or not, but I'm going to mute Din for a while. Hopefully he still stay. We would like to have thank you very much lah Din. Kalau kamu tak tahu, for the people yang ada di sama-sama kami sekarang ni, beginilah orang Sabah bercakap. If we have a Singaporean listeners right now actually,
we have a lot.
terutama followers daripada Okay Let's Go, because Okay Let's Go is one like top Spotify punya podcast right now. Thank you very much. If you are still wanna stay with us, kita boleh cerita-cerita, sembang-sembang, boleh raise your hand. Awesome. We have more topics coming up untuk next episode Clubhouse punya session. So kamu boleh follow Kinabalu Podcast on Spotify. So we would like to welcome Santiana, maybe our last listener speaker for today.
Yep, definitely.
Hello Santiana.
Hi guys, hi.
Hi Santiana.
Hi,
How are you?
Santiana.
Hi,
Hi,
I'm
Santana.
good.
Oh, singit Santana.
Sorry terpaksa tunggu lama because
itu nama abang saya. Itu.
oh okay.
Serious?
Anyway, sorry sebab terpaksa tunggu lama because Din is from Okay Let's Go, top podcaster daripada
It's okay.
Spotify.
It's okay.
So
It's actually good for you guys. I mean, of course, yeah. Don't worry, no worries.
Alright, we heard kau punya lagu and kau punya single on YouTube, and ada juga kau buat live on Instagram. You have quite of numerous of followers juga. How do you manage your time? Because kau pun cikgu kan, so macam mana kau manage your time? Very cliche, soalan cliche lah kau dan.
How do I manage my time?
Yeah.
Okay, it's actually pretty simple. And the fact that this pandemic happens, we can do bekerja dari rumah and all that. Jadi macam more time for me to have more singing lah. Sebab selalunya memang susah because my school is really far from my rumah. Jadi before this saya tidak seaktif ini like doing live music, tapi thankfully lah juga sebab pandemic ni kan more time to do my music and all, especially live music.
Awesome.
Yeah, tapi kan Santiana, jangan lupa isi SPDPR.
Itu paling famous antara amongst teachers now, semua paling famous SPDPR. Kadang-kadang down system.
Hari ini pun down, sakit kepala saya sebagai penyelaras.
Anyway, Santiana, sorry?
Teacher.
Ya, semua cikgu ni sini.
Semua cikgu
Ada penolong kanan lagi sini ni.
Kagak.
Betul. Faizal is PK Ham. Yeah, Faizal is PK Ham.
Alamak.
Anyway,
Pindah saya please sekolah kamu tiba. Okay.
Kota Marudu aduhai, tiada apa-apa di Kota Marudu ni. Bagus lagi di Keningau. Anyway, Santiana, if you are with your system, if you don't mind to sing a little bit of your song ataupun any cover song, kita ada listeners from Singapore tau. If they still stay,
Unfortunately, I'm not connected.
okay, never mind. It's okay.
Kenapa next time?
Tapi boleh shout out kau punya, maybe kau punya YouTube or kau punya channel or something.
Okay, sure. Hello guys. So saya ada club sendiri juga di sini. It's called Sunshiners.
Oh
So
ni.
if you want to listen to me singing, it's happening every Friday at 4 p.m. But sometimes there's some sort of cancellation atau postpone and all. And in order for you to not miss any of my shows, please follow me on my Instagram and especially stay tuned to my IG stories because I update every single thing on my IG story.
Awesome.
Jadi, please follow me on my Instagram lah. Basically Instagram ini memang untuk all singing purposes. Kalau kamu pergi Facebook, semua adalah formal dan cerita pasal SPDPR.
Ada saya nampak.
Lepas tu Twitter tempat memaki gitu.
Astaga, kedapatan sudah.
I don't know. Mostly orang bilang Twitter untuk orang memaki. I don't know.
Kantoy.
Well, it's
betul.
Yeah, it's correct. At least for me, yes. That's how I see it.
Anyway,
and Instagram is fully for music, and then of course YouTube. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just search for Santiana Ramlila on all platforms. You'll be able to find me.
Kau sudah terima kau punya AdSense this month?
Oh, actually kan saya ada banyak problem pasal tu sebab dia perlu apa tu? Kalau cerita panjang ni.
Yeah, I know. I think I got what you mean. Technically, dia perlu kau punya clarification, kau perlu ada audience and everything, retention.
Oh, susahnya.
Yeah.
This is a problem why.
Sayang sebab you got banyak viewers.
Ya, saya punya alamat rumah, alamat kampung kan. What do you expect?
Oh, they send the pin.
Yeah,
kau belum terima lah.
Belum.
Ayo.
That's why lah.
Kalau
saya
send pergi sekolah?
Send pergi sekolah. punya klise.
Kau pikir saya mengajar di mana? Saya mengajar di Pensiangan.
Kalau kau mengajar di Pensiangan, ada lagu kan di Pensiangan tu?
Apa lagu?
Pensiangan. Very old song.
Tapi seriously kalau bukan pasal pandemik kan saya rasa susah saya mau aktif di Clubhouse juga ni sebab
tiada line sana.
Line di sana pun sangat teruk.
Ya betul jugalah.
Macam 3G dia macam yang belum update.
Macam
1G
3G lagi tu.
Aduh.
Kita sudah 5G kan?
Ya. Sudah 5G.
Masih ada 3G ya? Wih,
Tapi not to say bad about that lah. Kalau pergi Pensiangan tu how big macam mana kalau pergi Pensiangan ada
pergi sana kalau dari KK bilang
It's 4 hours away lah, 4 to 5 hours. Kalau kau betul-betul to my school, betul-betul to my school, you have to go, macam biasalah jalan darat, of course. Kalau kau sampai Nabawan, Pekan Nabawan tu, you have to go through 1 hour plus lagi to arrive to my school.
Another car lah.
P1.
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 Oh,
okey lah betul. Yang penting masih di Sabah. Yang penting masih di Sabah.
Berapa tahun sudah kau sana?
Astaga, 6 tahun sudah ini sis. Mati
jadi kau tidak isi pindah.
Iji tukar.
Of course, itu wajib isi. Tapi semua alasan tidak diterima. Saya tidak tahu lagi apa alasan.
Saya mau cerita kau pengalaman saya lah. Ada satu kawan saya ni, dia mengajar di Paitan sana kan. Nah, nama dia Syukri lah. Saya cakap lah. He's a cool dude lah. Tapi very big, bulky guy lah. So, dia mengajar di sana. One time ni, dia memang ada macam kau ada pening-pening and everything lah. Tapi one time tu dia memang fake it up.
Fake it?
Dia buat pengsan. Aku pengsan je bro. Dia bilang pengsan a few times. Tapi ada a few times memang betul. Tapi most of the time dia memang I just want to leave from there. Dia mengajar di Paitan very dalam, pakai perahu lagi apa semua.
Gila.
Dia ni dia big build bah. Dia kira besar bah. So dia memang susah untuk move around.
Body shaming
susah.
ni.
Bukan. He's okay with that man. Tapi itulah dia kasih tahu dia terpaksa buat begitu yang dia memang ada masalah sakit, which is harap-harap tidak lah. He's a cool dude though. Tapi tidaklah mau kau buat begitu pula kan.
Taking advantage of the situation.
So dia orang sedia tempat tinggal sana lah. I mean of course lah kan. Kau tinggal di quarters guru lah, is it?
The first year when I got posted kan, I had to rent a house and I was the only occupant and I didn't have a choice about what do you expect ba di dalam pedalaman rumah sewa.
Itu gila.
Mana ada astaga. Yeah. Ada pun yang sulap-sulap bikin yang kebun-kebun punya sana di hutan. Itu adalah memang I had to and it was really hard for me.
So memang first posting sana lah.
Ya, first posting dan sampai sekarang tidak dapat keluar. Saya pun tidak paham.
Kau ajar English kah? Itulah kau dapat keluar, betul kah?
Iya.
Nah,
tidak apalah. Bertahanlah lagi 4 tahun.
10 tahun.
Genap 10 tahun boleh keluar lah.
Itu sama ada orang mau tukar sama kau ataupun kau kawin.
Nah,
macam saya juga.
Kontrak nih.
Oh iya.
Kenny.
Boleh. Nanti DM saya kontrak dia.
Si Kenny ni pun tapi
kasih on asal saya pindah.
Actually so Kenny pun Beaufort sebenarnya, tapi mamak dia orang Kota Marudu lah. He's still okay lah. Lagipun KK and Beaufort not quite far juga and Kota Marudu. Kami Kota Marudu, so
sama-sama pindah pergi KK begitu.
Nah.
Baru itu kontrak jadi, itu deal dia lah.
Nah, kan?
Kita sudah capai fine print sudah nggak nih?
Anyway, Santiana, this is a recorded punya podcast. You can listen to us tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow we can post it on Spotify. Tapi itulah, next time probably we would like to have a macam bukan jam session lah, macam a feature episode talking about music, probably about you and your music. Is it okay and cool with you?
Oh, no problem. I would love to.
Awesome. Kami pernah actually kalau if you ada check our podcast, kami pernah cerita sama Fanzi because kau ada duet juga dengan Fanzi and everything kan?
Ya, macam ada lagu kau tu kan?
Ada saya cakap, oh iya ke? Saya cakap sama Fanzi, itulah hopefully tengoklah macam mana kalau dia macam sibuk sekarang kan Fanzi. So saya bilang cari one female singer. Ya, cari one female singer so boleh nyanyi tu lagu Lambang Cinta tajuk dia. But we'll talk about business later, I'd say. Anyway, thank you for your time with us. Apparently kami pun coming to our 2 hours of Clubhouse live right now, live recording. We are so blessed to have Dean sebenarnya tadi. Dean ada daripada Okay Let's Go Singapore top Spotify punya podcast.
Thank you.
Kami banyak inspired sama dorang juga. Thank you for the Dean. Sampai sekarang pun masih lagi ada listeners from Singapore. Actually, shout out to Singaporean. So if you want to follow Santiana, please follow. Kita ada producer Santiana. My Net is my wife sebenarnya. She's the producer, Lady Boss.
Lady Boss.
Yeah.
Lady Boss.
Hopefully she's still listening though. Sebab saya punya baby Ingrid dia tengah kasih tidur kali itu. Anyway, thank you very much. Please follow whoever di sini mau follow. Please follow. Hopefully this Clubhouse can actually orang bilang connect us and boleh kita dengar and support, especially Sabahan lah, local Sabahan yang ada talent, content creator macam kau sekali, macam kami ni kita creating content lah Bani kan podcast.
Kita content creator lah Bani dan saya berharap ini kita punya Clubhouse ni dia boleh connectkan Sabahan dengan orang-orang luar.
Yeah.
Dan
betul.
sekarang ni macam connect dengan orang Singapore.
Alright, before we leave guys, we would like to announce, kita kena bayar Netflix ni, so kita perlu announce Money Heist season part 5 sudah pun keluar. Yeah, ciao Bella, ciao.
Ada yang minat sini ya? Apa itu drama tu?
Saya rasa ada Din pun peminat Money Heist juga. Diorang pun ada cakap-cakap juga hari itu. Tapi thank you very much to all the listeners today. Kami sangat berbangga dengan apa yang ada. Janganlah kita terlalu formal sangat di sini. You guys can join us in the maybe next week we have another Clubhouse punya session. It's a very fun, orang bilang session kan Ken?
Yes,
Zal,
very fun.
apa kau rasa Zal?
Gila show.
Rasa macam apa bilang orang sakai.
Betul. Terasa sakai.
Sebab ini first time saya live kita
buat live
kan.
Yeah.
Sebelum ni kita record atau berapa kita post. And ini first, so saya pun kadang-kadang tersenyap seketika.
Dah lah starstruck. Faizal sebenarnya adalah orang punchline kami dalam podcast ini. Rasanya itu saja. Thank you very much. We would like to say to our listeners, kita ada Joel sampai habis dia ada di sini. Alisa, welcome Alisa. Hari itu kita ada cerita tapi tidak berekod. Maybe kita akan adakan episode yang orang bilang spesifik untuk dia juga because he's a animator kan. Digital animator. Alisa is a digital animator, boleh follow dia juga. She's from Sabah, dia buat yang bukan calang-calang punya, yang Nickelodeon punya tau.
Netflix pun dia buat.
Netflix pun dia dah buat.
Dan sekarang dia dalam proses buat kita punya animation kan.
Iya, 3 orang, 3 budak gemuk,
Alicia, jangan lupa,
satu
Alicia.
botak.
Suruh dia buat ABM untuk kita.
Tapi itu je, bagi hilang one pack tu. Hilangkan one pack, bagi 6 pack lah.
Terhibur.
Kalau kau dengar kami yang lebih santai ni lagi hancur ni sebenarnya.
Matilah.
So, Santiana, last word.
Ini shoutouts ke?
Saya mau tanya si Alisa tadi, mana tahu boleh buat MV. Itu je saya teringat.
Nah, Alisa. Okay, we will open maybe.
Saya always terbayang yang bikin MV yang berkonsepkan animation.
Betul. Awesome tu.
Santiana. Cikgu Santiana.
Apa?
Kalau kau mau buat MV tu,
teacher.
Kau cari pelakon. Kau Roji lah.
Yang penjahat kau perlu.
Yang penting kita punya kawin kontrak tu.
Bahkan saya sokong.
Teacher. Sekarang saya tengah buat agreement untuk kamu berdua.
Alamak.
Okay, teacher. Nanti saya DM je lah.
Tiba-tiba ada lawyer.
Kenny.
Yeah.
Kamu terima nikahnya Santiana Ramli.
Ini nikah online ni.
Nikah online macam familiar.
Ini PKP boleh.
PKP boleh.
Aku nikahkan tikau.
Thank you very much Santiana.
Thank you,
Thank you,
teacher.
thank you teacher. Teacher. Satu darab dua berapa teacher? Enggak apa-apa.
English.
Oh English. Watu darab
How to
dua.
spell kado?
How to spell spill the tea?
Alamak.
T-E-A. Okay, thank you very much Santiana. We're gonna put you down.
No problem, my pleasure.
Oh man.
Okay.
Kita, oh man.
Wow.
Kita actually untuk makluman semua kita punya recording usually RM35. RM35. 35 minit and the rest of it adalah sponsors kita. Kita ada sponsors yang kita perlu sebut juga. Tapi kita sudah coming to like 2 hours. I mean for the whole 3 parts lah. So kamu dengar kami di podcast Kinabalu Podcast. Thank you very much for staying tuned guys. Thank you so much. Saya pun tidak tahu macam mana mau cakap. Tidak pernah ada room saya melebihi 10 orang.
Ya, wah gila ya.
Dan lagi satu siapa yang masih ada sekarang ni sempat jangan keluar dulu sebab kami follow.
Ya, follow.
Saya akan follow one by one.
Okay, follow.
Saya akan follow, jangan keluar dulu. Yang tadi ada yang tidak sempat saya follow tadi sudah keluar.
I'm gonna follow.
Yang ada sekarang ni saya tengah follow. Kami tengah follow.
Okay. Stay tuned. We follow. Whenever you speak up, kami boleh join. Probably boleh cakap and share about whatever you want to share.
Dan untuk saya shout out lah siapa-siapa yang di sini.
Saya shout out.
Kita ada Muhammad, Wan, Ariza, Hamzah, Juhaman, Najib. Najib.
Wow, ada Najib.
Azmi.
Hidup Najib.
Satu Malaysia.
Siti Nurhaliza, Nazmir, Anjangs, Aisyah, Heri, Ayu, Ismail, Marmi, Hafiz, Krishnan, Ashraf dan Muhammad.
Kau nak sebut pula diorang di atas tu.
Siapa?
Joel, Nikki, Debbie, Alisa, Adi, Rangga and Santiana. Thank you very much. To all the speakers yang kita dah jemput dari first part tadi, thank you very much. We gonna wrap up our podcast untuk season 4 episode 9 yang part yang ketiga ini. Saya Ricardo.
Saya Kenny.
Dan saya Faizal.
Kami dari Kinabalu Podcast nomor 1 di Sabah dan nomor 1 di hati kamu. Ciao, ciao, Bella, ciao.
See you guys.